Alright, hey there viewers. So I got a 2015 Honda Fit. It's in for a major service, the sub symbol 4. What the sub symbol 4 is, you do the valve adjustment, spark plugs. But the additional stuff that I also recommend to the customer is doing the walnut blasting on these intake valves. As you can see how carboned up those are. With 160,000 kilometers, which is probably roughly around 100,000 miles, these can cause misfires. There is also a service bulletin on this for the carbon on the intake valves causing cold misfires, and that is my phone. Alright, that phone wasn't for me, but anyways, so something new in the shop. We all got tablets, right? And what this tablet is for is to take videos of customers' vehicles, just so they can have like a hands-on view of what we see and what is happening. So yeah, that's something new. So I'm just waiting for the customer's approval. So we do take videos of what needs to be done, like if we're gonna do intake valve cleaning or it needs brakes or stuff like that. We just send it to the video, or send the video to the customer so they can see for themselves and then make that decision if they want to do it or not. And it kind of gives them that visual of stuff that needs to be done on their cars. So that's what we're doing. Still in the work of process, because everybody's learning how to use it, but it also helps with selling work. But yeah, anyways, if I get the job, then I'll show you what we do for walnut blasting on these intake valves. Alright, so customers approved the walnut blasting. I just gotta get all set up here with all the stuff. I gotta fill it up with the walnut shells. So let me go ahead and do that first, and we'll bring you right along. Alright, so at this point, all you need to do is make sure all the intake valves are at the closed position. Doesn't have to be top dead center, just as long as they're closed. Just take yourself a ratchet onto the crank, right? And then we're gonna install a couple adapters so we can do this job. Alright, so the adapter's on. The vacuum goes here, and then the actually here, Marvin's gonna show you. So he's gonna hook up the vacuum. We got this intake valves closed right now. There's a hole here where we stick this magic wand, and it has a stopper on it. So turn on the vacuum, and then you just start blasting.
You can see them coming.
Yeah, you can also see it coming back. So 2 intake valves. You can do the one on the right and then do the one on the left.
So they want you, I think, to do like 90 seconds on each hole.
Yeah, and then we take a look, see how they look like, and then do more if we have to.
For 2 minutes, something like that.
Just like kind of move it around.
I go until it's clean.
You go in there,
this, that. Right.
Yeah, maybe in another video, maybe we should try like the induction cleaner and see how well that does compared to doing a walnut blasting.
There you go.
Alright, so okay, now we're going to take it out and see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like. Don't worry, we have one beside it for comparison, but I don't know if my camera can... Oh, there you go. Okay, so that's what it originally would look like, right? And then same thing with these guys. So hard to get it in there because of the... There we go. All that. Maybe this one might be worse. Try to get it so it doesn't zoom in my flashlight. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So we just did this one. Still a little bit of chunks in there left, so we're gonna do a little bit more cleaning. And yeah, this side should be good. Here. So I went in there a second time, but there's going to be some stuff that you can't really reach. So what I use is a long pick, and then I scrape on it to loosen up the rest of that carbon, and then I get myself a just a blowgun to blow the rest of that stuff out. So I'm just gonna go in there and kind of scrape off and break up anything that I can't reach. Like for instance, like on the back side of this intake port, like on the back here, that the walnut doesn't reach, and then you just scrape it, and then see if you can blow the rest of that stuff out. So yeah, it's a little tedious, but you know, you're trying to do the best you can to get rid of all that stuff, especially on the back side of the this port here that you can't actually reach. See all that stuff on the back side. So, and then same thing on this side, is you gotta reach on the back side of this, and then see a bunch of stuff. Too bad my camera can't really get everything here. Also really helps if you have different kinds of picks, you know, your straight pick and your angled pick. That way you can get the stuff in the back and then the stuff in the front that's covered. So I got more of that stuff scraped off down there, if you can see. And then you just blow it out with more air. Here's the the difficult part. It's like behind the intake valve. Let me show you. So you gotta get like just a pick with a slight angle on it, right? And then there's the back part of this valve that you cannot get. So you just gotta scrape it. Let me see if I can get a better angle where I can actually do this. So behind this valve, there's a bunch of crap that you can't even see. Right there, see? There. Just scraped it off. See all that junk back there? Maybe I can focus better. See? Yeah, you really just need like a variety of different kind of picks. Yeah, see, it's flaking off on the back of that valve there. Let me blow that out. Let's see if I can. Yeah, see that piece that broke off? Right there. That was behind the valve, or the valve stem. I'll get my blowgun and blow that out. Anyways, this one's all good. Yeah, so on to the next one, which is this guy. It's also pretty nasty. So I'm not gonna record every single cylinder doing this. It's just gonna be the same thing over and over again, and I gotta keep scraping it after, because the Walnut Blaster only gets the majority of that carbon out, not everything. So there's a lot of manual labor to do this. So I'm just gonna quickly get this done because this customer wants the car back in the next 2 hours. Right, all done. I don't know if you can see that, but probably not. I don't think you can see it clear enough on the camera, but that's the intake valves now. Pretty clean. And yes, I also cleaned the throttle body. Alright, let's start it up. Everything's all put back together. Runs good. So yeah, anyways, this thing has 160,000 kilometers, so about 100,000 miles. So yeah, anyways, yeah, simple walnut blasting for the intake valves to clean up all the carbon. I also thought about, using, a cleaner and just spray it through the throttle body and see how well that cleans the intake valves, but I don't have a Honda Fit with direct injection, or a car with direct injection without having port injection. But I don't know, maybe a future video if I can find a cheap enough Honda Fit, and then I can, because the intake manifold is pretty easy to take it off and just quickly take a look into the intake valve. So yeah. But yeah, maybe in the future, if the BG guys ever comes by here because I asked them if I can get the tool so I can, I can just run cleaner through the tool. I don't have to buy their cleaners or anything, and just try a bunch of different cleaners to see if I can clean those intake valves without having to take the intake manifold, and then, do a before and after for you guys to see which cleaner does the best job at cleaning the carbon off the intake valves. But other than that, it's running pretty smooth right now. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check down in the link below my Amazon affiliate store. If you buy something from it, it'll greatly help me out. Yeah, other than that, just one last thing. I just want to thank this one person that gave me a donation. I guess my videos helped him out, and he's just paying it forward. But I also appreciate it that he made a donation. So I just want to thank him. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.